Alright, with our key global SEO settings in place for Mountain Yeti Consulting, in this episode we'll be enhancing our site-wide schema settings. So let's head back to the BDWP plugin's SEO module and navigate to the schema page. This is where you'll find all of your global schema settings. Our cascade system is already populating most of your schema through the settings from the previous episode, but here you can fine-tune and choose some settings specifically for schema. First up is entity type. This is step 1 and tells everything out there what this site is actually representing. An organization, a person, a website, or a local business. Which one is Mountain Yeti Consulting? Well, it is an organization. It's not a person. That would be for personalities, authors, influencers. Website is for when the site doesn't represent anything, like a general blog or a private application. So that's not what we want. Local business stands out since it is a brick and mortar business. The cave is a physical location. You can visit Mountain Yeti Consulting and meet with them in their boardroom. So if we choose local business, it's going to open up additional settings that will allow us to enhance our search listing with more information. Next is the author type setting. This assigns an author to pages created in WordPress. Not posts, but pages. Our articles will still default to the post author, so typically you'll want to set this to organization unless the site on the whole does represent a person. Below this is Schema Entity, where you can set your site name and description. If you just leave this blank, they will automatically populate from our global settings we set up in the last episode. But here you can customize it specifically for schema. At the bottom, we have the social profiles. Add as many as you'd like and just paste in your links. The field will automatically detect the platform for you, so the process is smooth. You can add unrecognized links, but search engines are pretty skilled at ignoring them. Okay, with all that set up, we can still go further here for Mountain Yeti Consulting. Since the cave and offices are going to be on maps and local search, we'll want to define the site's entity type as local business. This is going to open up additional settings that allow us to tell search engines our business information. This will enhance our search result listing, especially for our maps and local ones. So under business details, we'll enter our phone number, email address, and physical address. Just down here, we'll set up our business hours. Then our listings can include the operating hours and display things like open or closing soon. And we're all set. Mountain Yeti Consulting site schema is now enhanced, and the search engines rejoiced. Site schema, article schema, business schema, we're all good to go. In the next episode, we are diving into the sitemap settings to make search and AI even happier with the Mountain Yeti website.